Hello, I'm Marc Bochirol. I'm Senior VP HR for Energy Management within Schneider Electric. So Schneider Electric is a company very focused on energy management and efficiency for customers. We are roughly, a 26 billion euro company, and we are roughly 150,000 people in the world. Here in India, around 20,000 people with a lot of facilities and also R&D centers. Our company is very global by nature. So all of us in the HR function, we had to kind of adapt to that. We are all in touch with many people in the world to perform our duties. So even if you are sitting here in India, you have many colleagues in many parts of the world. So that's the first concrete element. The second part is that all the policies that we have are global policies by nature. We have to adapt them in some cases to some countries, but we have to be interested by having a global vision on all what we are doing. So in that sense, we require people, even if they act locally, to have really a global mindset, a capacity to liaise with people in other countries, to be interested by diversity and inclusion for sure. So that's where I think our function is truly global. I'm personally convinced that data, the usage of data in the HR function is paramount. I'm pushing a lot my teams and myself, by the way, to use more and more data. If I take concrete example, when we are doing talent review today, we are changing the way and bringing upfront a lot of data coming from our database to focus a bit more the discussion around the development action for our people and using data as a lever to understand where we are and how did we perform. So I'm personally encouraging my team to really spend more time on our processes, on our tools, but also to make data be meaningful for the leaders. Now, if I look at more the back office side, we are automatizing more and more tasks, of course, and here there is a big value for the HR function, getting rid of basic tasks which can be automated completely, and again focusing a bit more on the added value for us. I think in our particular case, we need the HR function in India for our company to help the leaders to define clearly our ambition for this country in the next 5 to 10 years. And that's a job which is very important because we are working in a global environment and we have to define here what we want to do, what is finally our offer for the group, what are we able to do from Indian perspective in the complete organization of the group, I would say. So HR has a key value here to help the leaders to do that. Second point, I think, of course, here more than elsewhere, we have to embrace digital and make sure that all the capacity that we have now from the digital environment are really be part of our core day-to-day value, I would say, for the leaders. So bringing, again, data which are meaningful for our leaders and making sure that we transform progressively our process so they're smoother, they are easier for them. And the third point, as I said, I think it's an important point for us, especially in the context of an R&D center. As I said before, diversity and inclusion is really part of our business strategy. And I need the HR function here to help us to really go to the last mile, which is really to create an environment which is first much more diverse, whether it's on gender, nationality, experience, whatever kind of diversity you can imagine, and create the environment which is inclusive so that each of these diversity can express itself completely. So that's the three elements I think are very important for us here in India. We, of course, want to create a diverse workforce, as I said, and we are partnering, of course, with some key universities. We have a policy for years, which is to attract, great talent fresh out from university and groom them in the organization. So that's not something new, but that's something definitely on which we want to invest more. Second point, we want to communicate differently to this population. We are, as a B2B company, always not known in some university or key business school, and we want to be known. So More things will come in the coming weeks, but you will see us more and more visible with a lot of communication, so that we associate our brand more and more to the cool things we are doing, because we have a meaningful purpose. As I explained, we want to provide solutions for our customers to save energy, which is a key element on Earth. And second point, also to give access to electricity to many people which don't have access today. So all that is quite meaningful for the young generation. And we feel that building on that, we will be able to attract more and more young people in the company.